Hi everyone, I'm going to teach how to add some formula like multiply, minus, total sum, and addition, and also average. First of all, I add some data first. Okay, let's say I want to add column 1 and column 2, which is 3 plus 5. How do I add some formula in it? First, I click here, then I type equals, then open bracket, then I highlight these two cells. I click here, then plus this one, close bracket, then I press enter. See, the answer is 8. So I add some more data. How do I add 5 plus 1? So, do I need to insert the formula again? Answer no. So, I just need to click here where I put the formula just now. Then, I drag it. See? I drag it to here. So, the answer is 6. This is 5 plus 1. I no need to add any more formula. I just need to drag it. So, how about minus? So, I want to do some minus calculation, which is 5 minus 1. So, I add the formula equals, open bracket, select this one. This is the cell, the first cell. I want to minus, then type minus, then I click this one. The second cell I want to minus. Then type close bracket, enter. So the answer is 4, which is 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So what if I want to have the total sum for 8 plus 6, the total sum? So I type equals, open bracket, equals sum, open bracket, this one, press shift, then click to here, close bracket, then press enter, which is the answer is 14. 8 plus 6 equals to 14. How about if I want to have the formula for average. So average. Now we're going to do for average. I delete this answer or delete the formula. So to have average equals type average average, average, open bracket, then highlight this one until here, then close bracket, press enter. So the answer is 7. The average of 8 plus 6. So the average is 7.